Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase blue diamond items in Heartopia. So if you go to the basket here, you're able to get like clothings with the blue diamonds. We have the night sky collection, the daily life collection here. Super cute. We have the other items here as well. We have furnitures here, and we also have building materials here. If you buy like one, you are able to like put it around your garden if you'd like to. Here's where you can get, well, you can buy items using pink hearts. So if you want to get items with pink hearts or blue heart diamonds in Heartopia, this is where you're able to get it. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!